In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can create a DreamWorks-Style AI video. And this is the result of this tutorial. So to create that video, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. This is a platform that let you try it for just $1. So well, after you create the account, you will arrive here, and here we need to click in the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we need to choose the Seedance 2.5 model. Now in duration, I'm going to use 10 seconds, but you can use up to 30 seconds in this model. And now here, I'm going to use this prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, and actually, the important part is this. This is what will give the video the style, and all this part is the description of the scene. Another thing that I want to comment is that here you can upload images of reference of, for example, your characters. So if you have a character, I recommend you to upload an image of the character. And now, to create the video, we have to click here. Now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it. Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the result. This monster appearance, I like it a lot. And the reaction of the public is really good. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that in NovoAds AI, you can try Seedance 2.5 for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.